Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to install an exported homebrewed mod pack using the Curseforge launcher. The first thing that you're going to want to do is actually have the mod pack to install. So I'm part of the Transpixel Posse, so I'm going to download the Project New Life mod pack. This is our mod pack. It's something that I homebrewed myself. And it's sort of a vanilla plus exploration tech and sort of a performance mod pack. It was originally based on the Create optimized mod pack, but then it evolved over time into something a little more performance heavy, but nonetheless quite enjoyable. I know that there's plenty of people who play this mod pack on laptops, and it runs fine. They can connect to the server fine. Obviously, they need to turn down some settings, but it runs at least on par with vanilla Minecraft, if not better than. So I have the Project New Life zip file right here. This was exported from Curseforge. I cannot vouch for mod packs that you export from other launchers, so bear in mind that this tutorial will cover only the file that I have downloaded here, or if one of your friends has exported a homebrew mod pack from the Curseforge launcher. The next thing that you're going to need to do, of course, is download the Curseforge launcher itself. I'll leave a link to this in the description below, and you're just going to want to hit that download button right there. I'm not going to reinstall Curseforge because it's kind of like tuned to the way that I want it right now, but it will take you through a few steps. The first thing that you want to remember is that Curseforge runs on the Overwolf platform, which is sort of like a built-in applet from which it can, well, Curseforge is an applet of Overwolf, so Overwolf is capable of hosting other apps. I know that they have like some League of Legends stuff. I think they have like a Rocket League app or something like that, if that is something you're interested in. Of course, you're not obligated to interact with the Overwolf platform at all beyond Curseforge. This is just a tutorial on how to use Curseforge. Now, once you're in here, you're going to add Minecraft as a game, of course, and then you will see a screen that looks something like this. You won't have any mod packs in here yet, but you will be able to create custom profile and browse mod packs that are already existing. The first thing that you're actually going to want to do is go down here to your settings, and then go to under the game specific tab on the left, go to Minecraft, and you're going to want to scroll down a little bit, and this is very important for any mod pack that you want to install. This is the default memory allocation for any mod pack profile that you have. It's a good idea to change this anyway, even if you wanted to launch vanilla Minecraft through here, because giving Minecraft more RAM is essential. So the maximum that you can throw at this is, well, it reads in megabytes, but I mean, it's very easy to look up a gigabyte to megabyte chart and just figure out. If you can't remember, just go with the rule of flat thousands. This would be roughly around where 8 gigabytes is. The launcher can support, it looks like, up to 32 gigabytes if you even have that much. I have 64 gigabytes on my computer. I know that some people only have about 8. So you might want to just keep it down around 6. For me, my default was somewhere around 8 gigabytes. However, this down here is also very important. I don't know why that argument is in there. These arguments down here control, well, additional variables about how Java handles the game itself. I have additional arguments to handle specifically the garbage collector, because Minecraft is a poorly optimized game that doesn't handle rogue memory leaks too well. I threw in some arguments here that are better tuned for most mod packs in general, which make use of a more advanced garbage collector embedded in Java that basically says, here's a better garbage heap size that you should be looking for. Clean it up this much faster. And by using this argument string, you will be able to have less lag spikes when you're playing the mod pack. I will leave this string in the comments or in the description below as well. So you can just copy that and paste it into the additional arguments section right here. Now, what you're going to do after you've set up the Curseforge launcher, you're going to go up here to create custom profile. And here is where you would configure settings if you were doing your own profile. You could set up a name, you can edit the image, the Minecraft version, you could change the game type, and the mod loader version as well. However, if you're going to import a previously created profile, that profile will import all of those settings automatically, except for the profile picture. We'll get to that in a moment. So I'm looking at my desktop right now, and I see Project New Life right here. I'm going to open it. And as you can see, there it is downloading all of the mods instantly. Well, the download doesn't occur instantly, but the setup is pretty instantaneous. Now, your mileage may vary on the download speed. I have good internet, so mine's going relatively quickly. It should be worth noting that some zips, some homebrew mod packs, are capable of having things like additional settings, pre-made configuration files, pre-made server lists, pre-done options, just in case. They can also be bundled with shader packs. I think I threw some very basic shaders into this pack. Resource packs, of course, pre-made worlds. You can do a lot with these zips, and that's why I really like the Curseforge launcher to begin with. So once you're in here, you can see a list of all the mods that are in here. You can see that here some of my favorites include Apple Skin, audio player. That's a really fun one for printing audio files onto discs. Better third person is a very popular one. Better F3 cleans up the F3 menu so that it's more readable. Chat heads is a cute one to give you more of a texting kind of feel in the chat. Obviously, the pack is based on Create. What else do we have? We have performance mods like Dynamic FPS. We have a bunch of good stuff. Fancy menu. Farmer's Delight is another core mod, I would say. Yeah, we have well, roughly enough items, of course, and standard, like just enough items, but roughly enough items. We have the sodium suite. It's loosely based on the sodium suite, the caffeine suite. So we have sodium, we have lithium. We don't have phosphor because instead we have starlight, and those would obviously conflict. We have biome generation mods. Yeah, we have Zero's minimap. We also have world edit just in case. All of the Young's mods because Young is, well, as the kids say, poggers. And yeah, that's a brief overview of the mod pack. If you're still bearing with me, that is just a brief overview of the mod pack. So what we're going to do is go here into profile options, and if you want to change the profile icon, you can do so by clicking here, click change image, and then I'm just going to pick a random image from my downloads folder here. I just brought it to my other screen because I don't actually know what's in my downloads folder. I'm going to choose, you know what, heck with it. Let's choose Anya. It can be any picture. It doesn't matter. It's not as nitpicky as some Minecraft requirements for picturing your worlds. And then hit done. And as you can see, we have a new picture. Once you're done with that, you can hit play. It should be worth noting that the modpack will not run if you have not allocated more RAM and you haven't updated to the latest version of Java. I've seen many people try to run this modpack without meeting those requirements. I have a separate video posted for updating your Java version properly. Most people have Java 8 and they don't even realize it. And then to allocate more RAM, obviously, I put it in this video. So we can hit play. We can hit I understand the risks, because you do understand the risks. You're playing modded. Duh. Your mileage may vary on the boot up time. And there it is. And just like that, we're in. I hope this was useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.